Yes, guys, we're here for fun, yeah? Nothing more than that, inshallah. Just have fun about, kick about, doing it for charity. So no dirty tackles, no none of that. Just tell your teammates and your team of that. And that's pretty much it. As you were here first, you get to decide, you want heads or tails? It's tails. You want kick off or sides?
Kick off.
You get kick off?
Linesman or not?
Nah, low linesman. Oh yeah, so it's all me, yeah? So leave it to me. If it's clear and obvious, I'll call it. If it's not clear and obvious, I don't want to hear it. I only want you guys talking to me as well. I don't want your team talking to me, yeah? Sounds good, lads. Calm.
How much should I slide you?
Yeah?
I love it. How much should I slide you?
For what?
For the, yeah?
So like, you can rig it, shit.
Yeah.
I can't do that, none of that. I saw you're that Canadian guy.
Yeah.
And you're the guy that does roundabouts.
Yeah, roundabouts for Canadian.
Here's the little roundabout. Stream, damn it. Outside the box.
Let's go!
Why?
You got no line on?
There's no line, it's all on me.
All right, yeah.
No, inshallah. Advantage! Play! Aye. You good? Last ball here. You guys making the wall? Blacks.
Shall I?
You guys making the wall?
Go! Pass!
Go kick!
Hey, yo! Pass! Goal! Yes!
He was onside. He kept him on the line. You see the line on the the guy with the kufiyah. The guy with the he kept him on side, bro. I saw it literally. You can see it, watch it in later on, bro.
I want to find you there. I'm going to leave on your comments. Huh?
You had advantage. You had control. You had control.
Balance is about to shoot.
You had control.
I'm not really.
Yeah, you did, bro. Hand was too high. Yeah. It was very light, but you had the high on. It was quite high. It was natural. Come on, man.
Go pass the quick ball to Sony. Man on.
Lefty! Come on! Lefty!
That's not offside.
Because he started straight from all the way.
Spare ball, was it?
He didn't even square it because the guy on the corner didn't touch it. I know we're playing on the League 2 pitch, but this is not a professional game, bro. I was late with it, sorry. It was too tough. Hand up. Around the net, bro. It was closer to the net, bro. You were close to the net with it, bro.
Yeah, cool. Ref, that was a bit soft.
It was soft, but the hand was up in it. That was the problem. Offside. Offside. For what?
No penalty, lovely. No penalty, lovely. Hey, boys, well done.
Oh.
Hey, that's ours.
You alright? You need to get a check.
Hold on.
Bro. That's red card, bro. Hey, T-set, let him put his gloves on, bro. Behind the D-line.
Behind the D-line.
Penalty shootout. Captains! Because you get to decide the last to kick off, you decide if you want heads or tails.
Tails.
That is tails. You want to start first or second?
We'll go second.
Second, you go first.
Hey, خلاص. Hey,
Right, lads! Keeper, معيوس, eh? It's too easy for you, too easy for you.
We get another penalty.